Hello friends, your client is not a packaging designer. So if you are creating really nice design for packaging for your client, make sure you send your client with a proper mockup. And if you are sending them along with a 3D video of the same mockup, how wonderful it is for your clients. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal an AI tool and how you can use to create a mockup from your design and also a video from the same 3D mockup in minutes. So let's get started. Here you can see Pacdora gives us ready-made mockup, 3D product modeling and even dieline templates. First click on login on top right side and sign in using your Google account. After logging in, on the left hand menu, click Mockup. Here you see Pacdora provides wide range of mockups organized into categories like boxes, bottles, food packaging, pouches, cans, jars, and many more. For example, let's say I want a pouch mockup. So I'll click on pouch. Inside pouch, there are several subcategories. I will select one and you can see multiple pouch mockups available. I like this one, so I'll select it. Now editing dashboard opens. At the center you can see pouch along with its sizes. On the left side, go to the edit and click on upload button. Here upload your packaging design. Once uploaded, Pacdora automatically fits it into the die line. As you can see, I am placing my design here. If you also have a backside design, you can upload it here. In the center, you can also add designs, or if not, just apply a plain color. Let's say I want to add a logo. I will click on add image on the left and upload my logo and place it here. Below that, there is a elements option. Here you can use text, shapes, packaging symbols, social media icons, and even ready-made text combinations. Next is inspiration, where you will find patterns and packaging design ideas which you can also use. On the right side, you can see the 3D view of your pouch mockup, so you know if your packaging fits correctly. At the bottom center, you will see tools like select, hand, undo, redo, zoom, rotate, and hide, where you can toggle things like dimension line, bleed lines, etc. Once done, click on save at top right side. Now, under the edit menu, you will see custom material. Here you can change materials and preview in real time. You can even adjust body and surface setting. Below that, there is find similar with AI, which suggests similar mockups based on your design. Now if you go to the next, it is model, where you can swap the pouch model with another one. Then comes AI design. Here you can generate AI powered designs by uploading a reference image, selecting a mockup and size and clicking generate. After that, there is the background option. You can change backgrounds, generate AI backgrounds, or upload your own. Next is video. Here you can convert your product mockup into a video to showcase to clients. Multiple mockup video templates are available and you can preview them in the center. Under more, you can access AI backgrounds, 3D mockup modeling, and more. On the right side, there is an export. Here you can separately export mockup, dieline, videos, code, or share. You can even generate an embeddable code to showcase the product on the website. Also, there are the 3D model option. Under these, you can change material, transformation, and create scenes. There are many pre-built scenes, or you can create custom ones by adjusting the 3D preview. The element tabs let you add shapes, plates, more to make your mockup presentation ready. And again, there is background option we show earlier. Under more, Pacdora offers 5,000 plus mockups and 3,000 plus die line templates. You can also generate AI backgrounds here. Finally, with Super Render, you can export your mockups in JPG, PNG, or even 4K, 8K resolutions. That's wonderful. So Pacdora also provides dieline templates across many categories. You can customize them and export in AI, Illustrator, PDF, or DXF format. So these are the Pacdora's features. They also have a paid plan at just $29, which is affordable and saves a lot of time for both designers and students. So here is the final result. You can see the entire product mockup. If you want to separate the die line, you can also see here, and you can also create a 3D videos out of it. Isn't it great?
Yes.
So that's it for today. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and make sure you can support me with this button below. Share this with your designer friends, and see you in the next one.